Oh, I didn't see you guys come in. What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome to another edition of Groovy Movies with Toby Turkle. My name is Toby Turkle, and this is Groovy Movies with Toby Turkle. My name is... All right, you get the point. Today, we have the director of one of the grooviest live-action remakes in recent years, The Jungle Book. But before we meet him, as you already know, we need to score the movie first. I'm giving The Jungle Book 4 out of 5 groovy stars. This live-action remake of the 1967 classic has proven that besides the lack of creativity that some producers are showing, Disney Studios shows that you could totally tell the same story in two different ways without affecting its grooviness. The magic of Disney's still in there, and the amazing effort of the visual effects crew gives a whole new experience to the original movie fans. So without further ado, let's give a warm, groovy welcome to the talented, skillful, outstanding director, the one and only Mr. Jon Favreau.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Toby. Thank you.
Thank you, Jon.
It's an absolute pleasure to be here at the funkiest show of the 21st century. Yeah.
It's fantastic to see you. So, Jon, tell us a little bit about the experience and the pressure that comes when you remake a classical film like The Jungle Book.
Well, the pressure was undeniable. The Jungle Book is an absolute masterpiece and one of Disney's most iconic films. We spent 6 months in the pre-production process, the casting, the aesthetic of the film, you know, and my insistence on keeping the magic of the original film intact. And it was one of my most challenging tasks of my career so far. Yeah, but now after today, I feel such a relief that you gave us 4 out of 5 stars. Because to me, Groovy Movies approval is way worth more than any Rotten Tomatoes or Academy Awards out there. You know?
Thanks for that, Jon. I know you really mean that for real, which is why our network is so happy to act as the Australian distributor for this film. Yeah. So moving on, I think we should highlight Neil Sethi's debut performance as Mowgli. Was it difficult for the young actor to handle such a responsibility? Oh,
absolutely. It took us a lot of rehearsing, but in the end, everything was worthwhile. He learned so much from this journey. You know, it was like a boot camp for him. We ended up learning more from him than he could have learned from us, and I'm really proud of his outcome, you know?
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, well, we're getting to the end of the show, unfortunately. Oh, all right, let's not forget the other talents. Can you tell us a little bit about this amazing cast? Scarlett Johansson, Bill Murray, Idris Elba, and others.
Yeah.
Great cast.
Yeah.
They did well.
I'm so glad you asked that. It was an amazing cast, and it was an absolute honor to be able to work with such talented people. I mean, Scarlett Johansson was stunning, as usual. Lupita Nyong'o did a remarkable job, and Bill Murray proved to be a fantastic voice actor.
Bill Murray.
As well as Idris Elba, you know?
Yeah, all right. Well, production, they're begging me to end the show so we can go to commercials and recover all the money we spent on my disco lessons. They've been worth it, though, haven't they? So, Jon, thanks for being here today.
No worries at all, yeah.
Do you disco dance?
Nah.
I disco dance. Yeah, come on, let's go.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Let's dance anyway. Goodbye, groovy people. See you around and stay groovy. Woohoo!